unique thing about the graduates of SUNY Downstate is that they, as a group, are highly inspirational, especially the medical students, in terms of their passion for delivery of primary health care in the community. They are passionate, they like what they do, and they do it in the community, and that's one of the things that we are most proud of them as graduates for.
My name is Chuck Steen. My wife Marianne and I are here to support our daughter Catherine Steen, who's going to be graduating today from medical school, as well as her Masters of Public Health. What it means for the family, she's been wanting to be a doctor since she's 7 years old. So it's a lifetime goal that we're very, very happy and to share with her.
Joshua Zolmanovich is graduating today. We are very proud of his achievement. We are proud that he's graduating and he made it through.
This is my granddaughter and the only granddaughter I have. And her nickname is Sputnik, because when she was born, I knew she was going to the top. So, you know, Sputnik was the first thing they sent into space. So this is Michelle Ashley Davis, my Sputnik.
Everybody here, this is the proud mother of the graduate.
Yes,
Which
we
is
are
my
very
sister.
proud. Very proud of my little girl. And like my sister said, she wants to be an MD, and we are right behind her every step of the way. Whatever she does, we're there for her. Sometimes she doesn't go to bed, and I have to put her to bed at 25. But we are so proud because she did a lot of hard work, and she continues to strive every moment of her life.
Emmy Coleman, graduating College of Medicine, Internal Medicine. It's great to have a doctor in the family.
We're celebrating Paul No. Congratulations. It's our younger brother. He's coming from a legacy of doctors, so that's really exciting. And it's a real milestone for him. It's been a long time coming. And yeah, he's worked very hard, and for the rest of the graduates too, you know, we want to congratulate you guys.
I'm here supporting my daughter. She's graduating in neurology at Downstate School of Medicine. So this is the graduation day today, so I come to have a party with her and witness what she has achieved.
Today we're celebrating my brother Kenneth's graduation. He's graduating from Downstate Medical School. He's doing his residency back at Downstate in emergency medicine. So we're all very proud of him. We're all very happy for him.
We are very proud of our daughter Anjali graduating today from medical school. She's put in a lot of hard work, and it's going to be very exciting.
My daughter Samantha Yarmus, and it's an incredible accomplishment. From the moment she was born, and it was 23 minutes from the time we walked in the hospital till she was delivered, she's been in a rush. And here she is, still 23 years old and graduating med school today. Incredibly proud moment.
I'm here celebrating with my sister, Samantha Yarmus. She's graduating from the School of Medicine, going into a dual what's it called though? Dual residency? Dual residency in emergency medicine and internal medicine. And I guess as her big brother, it feels like I should be able to take all the credit, but I probably can't. We're just all very happy for her.
I'm really very excited and proud of my brother and congratulate him, and we're really very happy for him.
We're here supporting my sister, Tisnima Mohaimin, so her daughter, and this is my aunt and cousin, and she's actually going to be the first doctorate in our family, so we're here to support her.
I know Johnson works so hard to get this degree, and he has a loving heart for people. So I believe that in the future, not only he can save people's body, he may be able to save their souls also. So may God bless him.
Frank Capelli, he's my first cousin. I'm congratulating him on finishing medical school. This is a great opportunity, a great honor, and I'm so happy for him, and we all celebrate him at this honor, and I'm just so glad here to celebrate with him and to support him, and I will continue to support him. And congratulations, everyone. I hope it's going to be an amazing trip for all of you. And there's a bunch of opportunities coming your way.
My daughter, Laura Kaplan, who is graduating #1 in her class at Downstate Medical School. I'm very proud of all her accomplishments, as well as the rest of the class of Downstate. I wish them all the best in their future.
I'm here supporting my daughter, Jill Greenberg, now Jill Greenberg Carton. She is following in her father's footsteps. He was a Downstate graduate, class of 1982. So we will, by the end of today, we will have 2 Downstate graduates in our family. To have another Downstate graduate in our family is wonderful. Yay, Brooklyn. We're from Brooklyn. And to have more doctors going to school in Brooklyn and hopefully settling in Brooklyn. Yay, Downstate. Yay, Brooklyn.
We grateful that my son was able to come to Downstate and is graduating as a doctor, and his passion is to help people. That Downstate has given him the opportunity to be able to help people.
I'm proud of him for following my footsteps. Thank you, and Downstate has been great.
This is a major event for SUNY Downstate, and I'm proud as to speak on behalf of the SUNY Downstate University Council that the students have reached a milestone. SUNY Downstate Medical Center is a major institution in Brooklyn, the only medical school in Brooklyn, and SUNY graduates, many graduates who will serve as doctors and in the field of science and technology. So I say congratulations to all of them. They have earned their place in history. God bless them, and I hope they have a great celebration. Thank you.
This is such an extraordinary time every year where we get to celebrate people crossing an important finish line that really they will realize is the momentous occasion of the start of their career as a profession that's dedicated to serving their community, the families and the patients that are their neighbors and their peers. It's always wonderful to celebrate, and it is a tremendous accomplishment. So I'm delighted, and congratulations, class of 2018.
I want to thank the graduate students for their hard work as they spent their time at Downstate, working in a variety of labs in neuroscience, molecular and cell biology, and biomedical engineering. I've seen all of them grow from young students to masters of their craft, and I wish all of them the very best going forward. Congratulations.
I'm here to support one of my friends. His name is Emmanuel. I just want to tell him to, keep on making everyone proud, keep on fighting. The journey has just begun, and we'll be doing great things together, and we'll be making history, especially as, black men in the medical field.
I would like to congratulate my twin sister. She worked really, really hard for this degree, and she deserves it. She's one of the best doctors out there, so if anybody needs a doctor, hook us up. Come at us. We'll treat you for free.
So I would say to the graduates that they have a great opportunity and that they should take the Hippocratic Oath to heart, whether they graduated from medical school or whether from the School of Graduate Studies or from the School of Public Health. Their role is to do good things and to help the populace, and they have a great opportunity.
I think it's prepared me well, especially because a lot of the health inequalities that I'm interested in dealing with is something that was the main focus in a lot of my classes.
It's definitely a very intriguing school, very diverse population. It exposes you to a lot. It gives you an opportunity to work with a lot of different cultures and see the different ways health can be used to improve our communities.
It was a great experience. The faculty members were very helpful along all these years, and they provided great support. And it was a very, very wonderful experience working in such a project and very supportive faculty members at Downstate. I say it was a great opportunity. I'm happy that I was able to accomplish the doctoral degree in that.
Hi, I'm Anthony Riccio, MD. I came to Downstate from Sophie Davis as a third and fourth year, and now I'm graduating. I'm going to be starting my residency in anesthesiology at Columbia New York Presbyterian Hospital. I had a great experience at Downstate. The training was wonderful, and I'm really glad to move on to the next stage of my life. Thank you.
So proud of my son, so proud of all of his accomplishments. I love him.
He had an amazing experience at Downstate. He gained excellent training. He said it's one of the best places he could have ever trained. So I'm confident he's going to be a wonderful doctor. Thanks to Downstate.
It's a pretty great feeling.
I got my MD today, and this is my brother. He hooded me. It feels so great. It feels so fortunate, and I hope I can carry out God's work faithfully. I'm really excited.
I think that's really the long and short of it. So, wishing her the best.
It was phenomenal. It was a very long, hard road, but I had wonderful professors, and they're the only reason that I am here.
No, congratulations. Danielle was my advisee, and I'm very proud of her. She worked so hard. She went to school part-time. She was working full-time, so she's amazing. So congratulations.
I was here 3 years ago because my other son graduated, and he just graduated residency this year. My son now is just graduated from Downstate as well. I'm so proud of him. Downstate is a great medical school, and I'm just so psyched today. It's a Muslim holiday, and I'm fasting, thank God, but I still have a lot of energy for this guy here.
He sends all his kids to Downstate.
He made me so proud, and I love him so dearly. Thank you very much. Thank you.
It was memorable. I can definitely say that. I learned a lot, more than I thought I would. And I'm actually going to learn more because I'm going there for my residency. So I'm going to stay. And I'm actually really happy about that. So I don't think I would have changed much, or if anything at all.
You're happy? I'm just happy that she graduated. She's been very successful, and we wish her all the best.
I could not have done it without Dr. Langley. He was my advisor throughout the 4 years, and again, so happy to celebrate with him.
If I had to do it again, I'll just do it again. It was like the best, probably 4 years of my life, and I think I'm ready for anything, man. I'm ready like in karate mode, like throw anything at me, I'm ready.
My dream come true. Thanks, my son, man. That's a good dream I had.
I appreciate my time at SUNY Downstate, a wonderful school. I'm very thankful for the education, my family, friends, professors that helped me along in this journey. And I look forward to practicing medicine and always representing SUNY Downstate.
Downstate, thank you so much. Those patients are the best patients I could have asked for, and I learned so much from them. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Downstate, for everything you have provided me from 2014 up until now. I really owe a lot to you, and I hope that after my training, I can come back and give back at Downstate.
We did what we could do, and he has turned out to be a very good boy.
We're so proud of our son. I can't even begin to tell you. And I'm also feel very privileged to have seen him go through all that he did. And thank you for all the support of the entire family. Can we just say one thing? There's an entire crowd that flew out all the way from Boston, California, just to support this one man. Yeah. Never mind the 7 years he put in, but the 3 hours we did.
My Downstate experience was really great. I started in the Art the Ash program in high school, and then after undergrad, I started graduate school here, and I think it was a great experience. Definitely prepared me for my professional tenure, and I plan to return back to get my doctorate.
Just want to say thank you to Downstate and all my friends, and I'm so excited that we're starting this new chapter of our lives and we can take care of patients in the future. Good luck to everybody.
I just want to congratulate all of our graduates of the class of 2018 from the College of Medicine, School of Public Health, and the School of Graduate Studies. We're so proud of all the work that you've done. You've done great, and you're going to go out into the world and do great things for our state and our country, and we're just so very proud of you.
I feel Downstate was a diverse, area, a diverse location, and it allowed for me, one, to feel accepted. I feel like my last experience at undergrad, it wasn't as great because I didn't feel at home. It being in Brooklyn, New York, and it being right in my backyard, I felt like Downstate was the perfect place for me to go to school and get my master's in public health. So I'm definitely grateful for that. I feel like my professors have been quite resourceful. They've actually given me opportunities that I probably wouldn't have had before. I'm currently interning at the Department of Health and Mental Hygiene, and due to the works of one of my professors. So I think that they're definitely great in allowing students to see the capabilities or what they are capable of, and reaching for the stars. And I could not be here without these people, okay? I had so many proofreaders here. I've had so many supports, so many practice runs for thesis and exams and study buddies. So I'm very grateful. I'm definitely grateful.
I'm pretty happy with my Downstate experience. I'm still glad. I feel like I'm going to be able to get out and go treat patients. The depth of the clinical training is unmatched. I feel like I can deal with a number of different populations and just get out there into the community and try to affect health.
Hello. We're very happy. Obviously, we're proud of him.
Hiding in the back.
Yeah, I mean, not just because of his degree, but because, he's a good person. And, hopefully he'll go on and help a lot of people.
Downstate has prepared me to face many of the challenges that
people of color and minorities face in achieving health, in meeting their health needs. And in addition to that, it has shown me how to work to improve those their conditions and how to understand the challenges that they face before I can plan and implement. Personally, right now, as a doctor of public health, new doctor of public health, I feel that I can go out there and do community evaluation and then implement changes. Thank you very much.
Well, my mom has been grueling, struggling, powering through, and has overcome many obstacles to get to this point. She's my hero. She's an inspiration to us all, and we're so proud of her today. So, as she becomes Dr. Brown.
And now that I'm the big sister, I am so proud of my sister. And we all stood behind her as she accomplished this day. Today. My family carried me on their strong shoulders. The Bronx Sisters rock. Yes, and the Bronx Sisters is not only the Bronx Sisters, but we come from a community of caring people. Not only my sisters, but my cousins, my godmother, my friends. They're here with me today because we are strong and we stand strong together. And this is her sister, Dr. Cynthia Brown, internal medicine physician. She's the smartest person I know. She's my hero, my everything, my everything. She inspired me, and she's always inspired me. I walk in her footsteps. That's our girl.
I'm very proud of our students, and I'm very sure that they're going to make a big difference in our community, specifically. They are trained with cultural sensitivity and clear understanding of the need of our community, and I'm very proud of that. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Both my MD and PhD at Downstate, and it's been a wonderful experience, a great community, a great environment to learn. It's been a great couple of years. We've had such an amazing clinical experience that I think we're ready for what's to come in the future.
It was amazing. Thank you for my master's. I really appreciate it, and I hope you can help for me to pay it back.
She's actually a good student. She put a lot of work into it, and we're very, very proud of her. And we hope she'll go for the doctoral. Okay?
I had a lot of fun and I learned a lot of.
My roommate Harry,
Oh, yes.
he's going to be a doctor. Woo! It's Teresa. Woo! Doctor.
It was a great experience. It's a good time. A lot of people came out. A lot of family members, a lot of friends. I mean, it's an amazing experience. You just got a doctorate degree. You know, a lot of people got masters, doctorates, and so I'm joyous, very happy. It's just a great time. Words can't explain it.
I'm just ready to serve the public. I'm already a public health sanitarian for the city, so I'm just ready to continue my career.
2018 graduates, I know you're going to do a fantastic job. I wish you the best of luck, and you're going to make us proud.
Definitely a lot of hands-on experience for sure. I'll be definitely prepared for residency.
And I don't know how I'm going to leave it now. It's sad. It's sad to leave. It was great.
Always impressed by the energy and the zest of the people going into medicine and their commitment to the inner city in particular, having learned at Brooklyn Downstate.
My message to the class of 2018 is that they think about and cherish the time they had at SUNY Downstate Medical Center and the faculty mentors they had, the friendships they made, and how they learned to become healthcare professionals, whether as a physician, a public health advocate, or a biomedical scientist. These are some of the most cherished professions for anybody to achieve. And so I want them to rejoice a little bit in what they've accomplished here at SUNY Downstate and to use that to go out and do good in the world.